Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the best waterproof cameras of 2021. I made this list based on my personal opinion and are trying to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. 5. Olympus Tough TG6 Waterproof Camera. The TG6 can capture excellent 12MP stills in up to a whopping 20 frames per second, as well as ultra-crisp 4K video through its 4x magnification optical zoom lens with f2.0 aperture. Microscope mode for ultra-close-up shooting is also among the camera's features, as is the ability to capture panoramas and time lapses. Advanced photographers have the option to save their images in RAW file format for more extensive edits. 4. Fujifilm FinePix XP140 Waterproof Digital Camera. The XP140 can capture nice 16MP photos in good lighting, but despite the built-in optical image stabilization, the camera's low light performance might underwhelm you due to the unimpressive f3.9 maximum aperture of its lens. Also, the 4K video capture capabilities of the camera top out at only 15 frames per second. You'll probably be better off recording full HD video at a considerably faster 60 frames per second. 3. Nikon Coolpix W300 Waterproof Digital Camera. The Nikon Coolpix W300 can withstand depths of up to 100 feet, the most of any other option on this list. It can also survive heavy drops and freezing temperatures. As expected from a Nikon, the Coolpix W300 can capture 16MP still images with excellent quality, as well as 4K video. It also has 5x magnification optical zoom, which can come in handy during your adventures out in nature. The gadget impressed the industry experts from Digital Photography Review with its high-quality optics and tough build. 2. GoPro HER08 Black Waterproof Action Camera. GoPro's all-new HER08 Black is the best waterproof camera for capturing video. It's capable of recording great quality 4K content at up to a brisk 60 frames per second. Most importantly, in line with GoPro's action sports credentials, the HER08's videos feature superb image stabilization tech. The camera can also capture 12MP still images with good quality and well-balanced dynamic range. You can also get fancy with slow-mo videos and time warp footage. There's even an option to livestream your adventures to Facebook and YouTube. 1. Ricoh WG70 Waterproof Camera. The coolest bit about the Ricoh WG70 waterproof camera is its dedicated microscope mode. By utilizing the built-in LED lights around the camera's sensor, it gives you the option to capture impressive macro photos above and underwater. I only wish that its lens had built-in optical image stabilization. The camera has digital stabilization instead.